Esther Salami,
And I am Pius Kano.
and you're welcome to another episode of Showbiz Plus on the News Chronicle.
So, as usual, today we're here to bring to you some very interesting entertainment news.
Yeah,
All right, and then first we're going to start with,
what everybody in the internet is talking
I'm
about.
telling you,
The Bennifer romance is over.
yeah,
Jennifer Lopez filed for divorce without a lawyer from Ben Affleck on August 28th. Now, we all know that the whole media has been speculating about the divorce for like months since April, I think, especially when she was spotted during the Met Gala. Like, she came solo, and everybody was like, where's Ben Affleck? And then,
I think it was that sent a hint.
yeah, and
Just
then
to,
another hint was that the both of them, they listed their homes for a sale.
Yeah.
And there were just a lot of signs. And then they will start going out without their rings. And then he was missing during her vacation to Italy and also during her birthday party.
Yeah.
So there were a lot of signs. And you know, the two have been married before in the past.
Yeah.
No, sorry, they hadn't been married. They were engaged, but the wedding was called off. And you know, Ben Affleck has always been this person who shies away from the paparazzi, from the media.
and I get that this is one discussion they ought to have had before getting married.
I think it even played a part in the end of their romance, you know, at first. And then
Isn't that why they say you shouldn't go back to your vomit? The
yeah,
thing is that sometimes you realize that what you cannot take in a relationship, right? It's something that you guys should discuss about and then maybe take it serious and not be clouded by the emotions and everything, thinking that when you're finally settled, when you're finally married, all of these things will be.
I think Jennifer
Be
said
sorted out.
she gave the impression that he had changed, he was cool with the media. However, you know, the revelation that the issue started from their honeymoon, you know,
This is something you should know. You're going out with a celebrity.
actually.
So there is no how she's going to say, paparazzi, don't follow me, don't
Yeah.
photograph, don't do anything. So
But then,
if you want somebody who will not be out there in public, you should have gone for someone else, not.
I don't think
Yeah.
this is like the primary reason they're getting a divorce. They should be on
According
that.
to inside sources, this is the primary reason why. Yes.
But this is her fourth marriage. And girl, I said girl, boy, and boy, like
This is her fourth marriage.
her fourth marriage, yeah, it's like
Something.
it says something about her. I think Ben Affleck has only been married once to Jennifer. And who is with Ben Affleck and Jennifer?
Jenny, yes.
Like
Coincidence.
maybe he should try. I don't think. Maybe he's obsessed with the name. I don't know, but maybe he should try another name. You know, some persons will like. Probably should go back to his first
The
one.
name cannot
which
be
is-
the problem. It's
Yeah.
just.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So all the best to Jennifer. She celebrated her 55th birthday recently, not too long ago, and if it's based on our Nigerian, you know, it's like almost a 55-year-old woman getting divorced, who will marry you, but then. Of course, you know, the Western world is way different from our society here in
You will not be
Nigeria.
surprised if they come back together tomorrow. Because that's one thing with
I
this
don't think so.
foreign celebrities.
I don't think
You've
so.
seen Cardi B and Offset. You've
Yes.
seen the likes of, which we're going to talk about in a bit,
Yeah.
the likes of Nelly and Ashanti.
I don't
You know,
think so.
and they're talking about Nelly and Ashanti.
Yeah.
They just welcome their first, Ashanti's first child actually, and then Nelly's fifth child. The two have dated for 10 years, and then when they are separated ways in 2013
Yeah.
for like 10 years, and then they came back in 2023. And then before we know, they are married, and then now they welcome their first
I
child.
just feel like there's this thing with you know,
Going
compared
back to your ex.
yeah, going back to your ex, like
You wanted to say something different?
yeah, I was going to say this. It's like when with celebrities, this long suffering nature is not really
Yeah.
there because how
true.
will you define this going back to your ex?
True.
It means you really love this guy, but you can't just deal with some of
The things.
he is, you
Yeah,
know, and
true.
like what is love without sacrifice
Yeah.
and patience and long suffering? Although like not that you should suffer long, you know, but it's either you know, a lot of persons says that rule, like don't go back to your ex. And if you feel that person, your love for that person is so strong, why not?
Yeah, if you think if you go back, things will get better, and then you guys can try to meet in the middle in areas where you've not really been doing well. Why not? I don't think it's totally a bad idea going back to your ex.
Yeah.
But then,
Let's hope
We're
Jenny
still
and
married.
Ashanti will last. Let's hope the child make them much more stronger. Not that we hear
Yeah.
like how many months or years from now, but I'm not going to be a prophet.
Yes, it's going to be different from.
Yeah, all the happiness
Yes.
in the world is a really happy news, and
Congrats.
kudos to them. And then our final news story.
It's about Dami Crane and the video.
Yeah, but before Pius gets into the gist of that, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you like and comment what you think, on the stories we've been talking about. And to read about the stories more and to get more information, be sure to check our website at thenews-chronicle.com and also our social media handles.
And most importantly, make sure to drop a comment. Tell us what you think about the program and then whatever you think about the program, right? So, Dami Crane and the video. Dami Crane is alleging that Davido is trying to frame him with the Nigerian authorities talking about the EFCC, saying Davido has called the Nigerian police and of course the anti-corrupt agencies to probe him concerning his involvement in Flutterwave and cryptocurrency. And then he's saying that these are some of the things that happen underground in the entertainment industry and nobody gets to talk about it until something bad happens.
I don't know.
Well, we haven't heard from Davido, maybe today or tomorrow, because he's a celebrity that tends to respond to critics, unlike others. So maybe in the next 1 week or the next few days, we're going to hear from Davido to hear his own side of the story. But at this particular point, I think it's too early to want to conclude that Dami Crane is actually, there is some substance of truth in what he just
I
alleged.
don't know what's with Nigerian artists, or maybe not just Nigerian artists generally about like minding your business. Like I'm getting really tired of all this. Davido is trying to do this person is trying to do this. Like avoid him. Like if you and someone can't you guys can't
blend.
in sync or something, like avoid that person. Like I'm so tired of this person responsible, if this is so like avoid him. Nigeria is so big enough. The world is so big enough to avoid certain persons.
Beyond trying to chase clout,
Yeah.
just like lots of them do, there are repercussions to some of these things. Maybe not now, but in the near future, there are repercussions for all of these things. If you know that the allegation you are leveling against someone is not true, just hold it back. Don't allege anything. And then if there is some iota of truth in what you're trying to say, I think there is even a better way to reach out to the person, since you guys are in the same industry, isn't it? Instead of going public and then, So I just hope they reconcile things together.
Yeah. And then before we go into our next segment, we have to just give a shout out to Mickey James and her husband. They've been serving us with really amazing pictures of their vacation. They visited UK, they visited Italy, Paris. Like
the pictures are demure. What's that word again?
They're giving their demure, very mindful, very cutesy. That it's been trending. Tell us about what you think about those phrases. Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. And so we will be recommending the top 3 movies for you to watch this weekend. And the first movie is The Union.
I am Mikey.
Roxanne Hall. How often is it that you run into your high school sweetheart after 25 long years?
2 shots, please.
You can handle your liquor now?
I can always handle my liquor.
I don't know. I got a vomit-stained tuxedo that says different, but
Wait, you still got your tuxedo from high school?
Yeah,
Really?
and it still fits.
Did have an ulterior motive for bringing you here.
You trying to whisk me away with you, huh?
Something like that. Welcome to London, Mikey.
Rox, what the hell? Where did Jersey go?
Hell of a wake-up call, huh, Mike? I'm Roxanne's boss. You drive.
Somebody needs to tell me what the hell is going on.
Bullshit! First time in London, Mike?
This first time out of the tri-state area.
2 nights ago, a list containing the identities of every U.S. spy was stolen. And to get it back, we need someone who is not on that list.
We need a nobody. A nobody I can trust.
So what, you guys like the FBI or something?
We work for the Union.
We're looking for street smarts over book smarts.
Ow!
Reflex bad.
And we get shit done.
What he said. Go! Reflex. Still bad. Stop!
Huh?
Okay, here we go.
All right, yeah, he's dead. How dangerous is it gonna be?
Piece of cake. I mean, you know, unless it isn't.
Does this remind you of something?
8th grade, Janet's closet.
That's the one.
Mike, get back in the car, Mike!
I'm glad it's you and me. And I'm really glad I walked back into that bar.
You're welcome!
You're welcome.
Roxanne Hall?
Ma, how do you know that?
I always liked her for you. What is she up to?
Should have seen her in high school.
Which our next movie is something like Go.
Demola! Get out of my way! Demola, please just come out. Please, we have guests waiting for us. Please.
There'll be no wedding. As I speak now, they're coming to seize all our assets.
I hope you have a bamboo bed sheet, because that's the only shit I sleep on.
Can you just stop being delusional? Your daddy has been arrested.
Auntie,
Get me pina colada with ice.
pina colada. Hey, where about that pina colada?
Miss Tamara, I am the person your father sent to you. His instruction is that I take care of you henceforth.
What's that smell?
It's your toilet.
I'm about to die. So you don't have a backup? But I am just managing with you because you don't have money. You don't want to
This your sister needs prayers.
She's not my sister! We need to get them arrested.
Can you sound? You just come with the buga, they command me. Nonsense.
She's very rude.
And our third movie for you guys is Inside Out 2.
This is Joy, coming to you live in Riley's mind. Make some noise! Sadness is in the house! It's anger!
Let me at him!
We gotta get our mouth guard, people.
Fear! No, that's not ours! Disgust. Glad to have her on our team. Our little girl's growing up so fast. Ow. Sorry.
It should be nothing but smooth sailing from...
Hello? I'm anxiety. Where can I put my stuff?
A new emotion.
Oh, I'm sorry. We wanted to make such a good first impression.
What do you mean, we? I'm Envy. Look at your hair. Oh, yeah, not happening.
That's on we.
On what?
It's what you would call the boredom.
What's your name, big fella?
That's embarrassment.
Welcome to headquarters, embarrassment. Oh, we're doing a fit. No. Oh, nope, going high. Oh, you got a real sweaty palm there, buddy.
Look, we all have a job to do. I plan for the future.
You want to sit with us?
These girls are so cool. We can't let her know we're excited.
I got this.
Joy, I'm just curious, maybe, I could
Thank you,
help?
not now.
Yeah. That's not gonna haunt us for the rest of our lives at all.
You're feeling all right.
I know change is scary,
Let's do this. Hey, Riley.
but we need new friends or we'll be totally alone in high school. Out with the old, in with the new. Riley's life requires more sophisticated emotions than all of you.
You can't just bottle us up.
We are suppressed emotions!
Let Operation New Riley begin.
You aren't packed yet?
I'm the worst! Well, that's a preview of the next 10 years.
Come on. Riley needs us. Have I ever steered you wrong before?
Many times.
What is that? It's the sarcasm.
Sarcasm. Boy, are we so lucky we ran into you guys. Boy, are we so lucky we ran into you guys.
Wow, those guys are jerks.
Wow, those guys are jerks.
All right, that is the much we can take. That is the size of the show on today's edition of Showbiz Plus. Please make sure to drop a comment. Tell us what you think about these movies and what you think about the show.
Yeah.
My name is Pius Kano.
And I'm Esther Salam. I'll see you next week. We'll see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy New Year.